Unboxing the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. It's the highest rating and best gimbal stabilizer in the market for GoPro Hero 11. This gimbal is available for $99. Let's open the box. Inside is a carrying case. We have the manual. This is the gimbal. The mini tripod. The cables. Let's attach the GoPro Hero 11. Quick mount and release clip. Let's turn it on. This gimbal has the following features. This 3-axis stabilizer, which helps you create an ultra-smooth video. 14 hours battery life. Charging time, 3.5 hours. IPX4 splash-proof, resistant to water splashes from any direction. It only weighs 365 grams. It can help you power your camera without needing to carry a separate power bank. If you are looking for the best gimbal for your Hero 11 and action cameras, this is one of the best gimbal in the market today.